Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Shri R.M. Jain Vidyashram Online Teaching Academy Ekalaiva. In today's maths class, I am going to teach you the chapter Numbers 21 to 100. Numbers 21 to 100 Introduction. The topics that we are going to see under this chapter are number and number name, before, after, between, comparing numbers. First one, number and number name. Write as tens and ones, then write the number and the number name. Write as tens and ones, then write the number and the number name. Children, now I am going to show you the 10 strips and 1 slips. Okay, from that you have to guess how many tens and how many ones are there. Okay. Children, this is 10 strip. See here, this 10 strip has 10 ones. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones. 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 ones is equal to 110. So, this is 110. Again, I am going to add one more 10 strip. Okay. Now, I am going to add 1 slip. Again, I am going to add 2 more 1 slips. Okay. Now, guess how many tens and ones are there? Shall we count the tens first? 1, 2. So, 2 tens. Now, count the ones. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. So, there are totally 2 tens, 3 ones. 2 tens, 3 ones. 2 tens and 3 ones makes 23. 2 tens and 3 ones makes 23. Now we have to write the number name for 23. TWENTY 20 THREE 23. Next sum. See, now I am going to show you a colorful beads ring. Okay. See how colorful it is. See, in this ring there are 10 beads. Okay. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, it is 110. Again, I am going to add 2 more tens ring. Okay. See, this is ones. Now, you count the tens and ones in this. See, 1, 2, 3. So, there are 3 tens. Now, shall we count the ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. 3 tens, 4 ones. 3 tens and 4 ones makes 34. Now, write the number name for 34. THIRTY 30 FOUR 34. Next sum. Children, do you know what is this? Yes, this is sticks bundle. Shall we count how many sticks are there in this bundle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 sticks. 10 sticks is equal to 110. So, we consider this bundle for tens. Now, I am going to add some more sticks bundles. And also I am going to add some separate sticks. See, this is separate sticks. We count the sticks for ones. Okay. Now let's count how many tens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. Now count the ones. 1, 2. 2 ones. 5 tens. 2 ones makes 52. 5 tens. 2 ones makes 52. Write the number name for 52. F-I-F-T-Y 50 T-W-O-2 52. F-I-F-T-Y 50 T-W-O-2 52. Next topic, before, after, between. Before means the previous number of the given number. After means the next number of the given number. Between means the number which lies in the middle of the given two numbers. Write the number before. Write the number before. When I say before, you need to understand that I am talking about the previous number. See, in the A sum, dash 25. What comes before 25? Yes, 2, 4, 24. The number that comes before 25 is 2, 4, 24. B sum, dash 30. 3, 0, 30. The number that comes before 30 is 2, 9, 29. Yes, very good. Write the number after. Write the number after. See here in the A sum we have 34. We have to write the number that comes after 34. What comes after 34? Yes, 35. 3, 5, 35. Good. See the B sum. We have 88 here. What comes after 88? 89. 88, 89. Good. Very good. Next one. Write the number between. Write the number between. See here in the A sum we have 36 dash 38. 36 dash 38. What number comes in between 36 and 38? Yes, 37. Very good. 37. 36, 37 and 38. Good. See the B sum. 92 dash 94. What comes in between 92 and 94? Yes, 93. 93, 93. 92, 93, 94. Next topic is comparing numbers. Here we are going to use three symbols. Greater than, lesser than, equal to. Let us see how we are going to use these symbols. Compare and fill in the box with the correct sign. Greater than, lesser than or equal to. Compare and fill in the box with the correct sign. Greater than, lesser than or equal to. Children, first we have to compare the numbers in both the sides and then we have to decide what symbol will come in the box. Okay. See here, this side we have 18 and this side we are having 8. Okay. See here, first we have to check the digits. How many digits are there? Here we have 2-digit number and this side we have only 1-digit number. So from this itself we can find out easily that the 18 is greater than 8. But still we will see how many tens and ones are there in each number. Okay. See, in 18 we have 1 10 and 8 ones. In the 8 we have only 8 ones. Now it is very clear that 18 is greater than 8. Okay. So we have to draw the greater than symbol here. 18 is greater than 8. Okay. Next sum 23 box 44. First we compare the two numbers and then we decide what symbol comes here. Okay. See here, this side we have 2-digit number. Again here also we have a 2-digit number. Okay. Now let us check how many tens and ones are there in this 23. Okay. In 23 we have 2 tens and 3 ones. In the 44 we have 4 tens. How many tens? 4 tens. See here, the tens place we have 4. So we have 4 tens and 4 ones. So which is bigger? 44 is bigger here, isn't it? So we have to draw lesser than symbol here because 23 is lesser than 44. So we have to draw lesser than symbol here. 23 is lesser than 44. Next sum 35 box 35. This side also we have 35 and the same number this side also we are having 35. So 35 is equal to 35. See, still we check the ones and tens. See, both the sides we have 3 tens and 5 ones. So it is equal. So we have to draw equal to sign if both the numbers are same. Okay, if both the numbers are same, we have to draw equal to symbol. I hope that you all have understood these concepts. Thank you, children.